Good morning everyone. This is Radhika, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of IT from B.V. Raju Institute of Technology, Narsapur. My course name is Computational Thinking and Programming. My topic name is Creating and Running C Program. Today I am here to give complete idea about how to create and run C programs. So generally the programs are created in C programming language is written in English. Computer cannot understand the higher level language. Computer only understands low level language. So whatever programs we have written in the C language like high programming language, it needs to be converted into the low level language. Here, this conversion is performed using either interpreter or compiler. C language uses the compiler to convert higher level language instructions into the lower level language instructions. A compiler is a program that converts high level language into low level language instructions. Generally, compiler performs two things. First, it verifies the errors. If errors are found, it displays the list of errors. If errors are not there, it needs to convert high level language instructions into the low level language instructions. To create and execute C programs in the Windows operating system, we need to install Turbo C software with the following steps to create and execute C programs in Windows operating system. Mainly there we are having 4 number of steps. First one is create source code. Second one is compile source code. Third one is run executable code. Fourth one is check results. So to create source code, there we have to write the source code by using any text editor and save it with .c extension. After written the source code, we have to compile our source code by pressing Alt F9 at a time. And to execute our program at a time, we have to press Ctrl F9. To check the result, there we have to type Alt F5. How to create a source code in the C programming? Here source code means it is a file with the C programming instructions in a high level language. To create source code, we can use any text editor to write the program instruction, but those all instructions must be followed C programming language rules. The following steps are used to create a source code in Windows operating system. So first we have to select start button. After click on start button, we have to select run. There we have to type command cmd. After that type cd. Cd means create directory. In the C directory, we are entering tc and bin. Here that means we are going to save our program. Save our source code in the bin folder of Turbo C software. Type tc, press enter. After that click on file, open new in C editor on window. Type the program, save it, your program, file name with .c extension because we are writing our programs in the C language, that is the reason we need to save our programs with .c extension. Step 2 is to compile our source code. So whenever we are willing to compile our source code, there we have to type Alt F9. Alt F9 is used to compile our source code. So how it is happened? Whenever we press Alt F9, the source file is going to be submitted to the compiler. On receiving a source file, first the compiler checks the errors. If there are any errors, if compiler find out any error, it displays the list of errors. So if there are no errors, it converts our high level language instructions into the low level language instructions. After that, it generates object code. Object code and stores it as a file with .obj extension. There, obj means object code. Then the object code is given to the linker. The linker combines both object code and the header file code and generates the executable file that is with a .exe extension. Exe means executable code. So when I come to the step number 3, here we have to execute or run our file. What file? Executable file. After completing the compilation successfully, an executable file is created with .exe extension, and that exe file content so that it can perform the task specified in the source file. We use shortcut key that is Ctrl F9 to run our C program. So whenever if you are willing to run our C program, their shortcut key is Ctrl F9. By using Ctrl F9, easily we can run our C program. The result generated from the execution file is placed in a window is called user screen. Step number 4 is to check the result. So whenever we are willing to check the results on the screen, there we have to press Alt F5. Alt F5 is always used to see the results on the screen, whatever results generated by the executable file. So if I come to the conclusion of how to create C program and run C program on Windows operating system. So first we have to type the C source code by using any text editor. So to save our program, there we are using shortcut key that is F2. After that, Alt F9 we are using to compile our C program. Then we can use Ctrl F9 to run our C program. Then to see the result, Alt F5 we can use to see the generated result by the executable file. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.